What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you two new tools to bypass iCloud. With these tools you will get Untethered Bypass for free, and it's available for Mac and Windows. The Windows version is easier than Mac version. In Windows version you can bypass the iCloud with just one click. As for the Mac version, there are some steps that you must do. This tool is free. It's MEID Untethered Bypass. This tool works on Mac only. If you are on Windows, you can download the new tool Xgreen the iCloud Bypass. In this video, I will show you how to use the Mac version. Okay, after downloading the tool, extract it. Now here you will get these files. Here you must read the README file. There are 3 steps you should do. The first step is to install the important dependencies. You need to run rd install in the terminal. The second step is to jailbreak your device with checkra. The third step is to run the tool and follow the steps. But there is an important information that you must know. You need to restore your device before you bypass iCloud with this tool. Okay guys, right click on mouse. Now here select Open with Terminal. You must install the imported dependencies before using the tool, or you will get an error. I've already installed the dependencies, so I will not reinstall them, because the installation will take some time. Okay, the second step is to jailbreak your device with checkra. Okay, open checkra program. As you can see here, I have iPhone 6s and I'm on iOS 13.6. This version is not supported by checkra, so click options here. Now here enable the first option, allow untested iOS versions. Now click start, click OK, click next. Now follow the steps. I will speed up the video. As you can see, it was done successfully. Now the last step is to run the tool using the terminal, then follow the steps. Alright, right click on the tool. Now open the tool with the terminal. Okay, as you can see here, this is the tool. Now here press enter and wait a few seconds. As you see, I got an error. Once you see the trust button on your iOS device, click trust. Now press enter to activate your iOS device. Okay, now press the back button on your iOS device and the iCloud screen should be bypassed automatically. As you see here, iCloud has been successfully bypassed and I am on the home screen now. If your device is still on activation screen, then use Sliver tool to bypass the iCloud, then follow the steps here. Now here, don't disconnect your iOS device or press enter. You need to install Cydia. Just open checkra app on your iOS device, then install Cydia. You need to install Cydia substrate tweak. Okay, now install it. Okay, now open Cydia. Now go to search bar and search for Cydia substrate. Okay, now install it. Now respring your device. Now open Cydia again and update all the tweaks and all the additions. As you see, you need to update all of these tweaks. You will find all these tweaks and these additions automatically after installing Cydia for the first time. Now after completing the updates and installing the Cydia substrate tweak, now go back to the terminal and hit enter. Okay, now just wait. The device will restart itself several times. Now the last step remaining is to restart your iOS device and jailbreak it again. Now restart your device. I will first restart my device. Okay guys, don't disconnect your device from your Mac. Okay, now jailbreak your device with checkra again. I will speed up the video. Now after checkra is done, go back to the terminal and press enter. Now just wait a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, the device was successfully activated with untethered bypass. Now open your iOS device and follow the activation steps. Okay guys, as you see here, the device has been activated successfully. No iCloud activation screen again. Now complete the steps to activate your iOS device. I will speed up the video. As you see, I'm on the home screen now. This is fully untethered bypass, and as you see here, I'm on iOS 13.6. Now I'm going to turn off my device to show you that this is a completely untethered bypass. Now I will turn off my device. Now I will turn it on. If you follow the steps correctly, your device should be unlocked directly on the home screen. As you can see guys, it's completely untethered bypass. Of course, this is only untethered bypass. You will not be able to use calls or use iCloud with this bypass, but you will be able to download apps from AppStore. Just sign in from settings, not from the App Store. And as I said guys, if you are on Windows, you can download Xgreen, the iCloud bypass tool, which enables you to get untethered iCloud bypass with just one click. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Peace.